Kitty Funland TV.
Dolphins are playful, friendly, and very smart animals that live in groups called pods. They use clicks, whistles, and even jumps out of the water to talk to each other. Dolphins also help each other when one is sick or hurt, showing great teamwork. Sharks have lived in the oceans for more than 400 million years, even before trees and dinosaurs. They have rows of sharp teeth, and if one breaks, another one quickly grows in its place. Some sharks must keep swimming all the time so water flows through their gills and they can breathe. An octopus has 8 long arms covered in suckers that can grab and hold things tightly. It is a master of disguise, changing its skin color and texture to hide from predators. If an enemy attacks, it can squirt a cloud of dark ink to confuse the predator and escape. Sea turtles have hard shells that protect their soft bodies from danger in the ocean. They can live for over 100 years and travel thousands of miles across the sea in their lifetime. When it's time to lay eggs, they return to the same beach where they were born many years ago. Crabs are crustaceans that have 10 legs, including 2 strong claws they use to eat and defend themselves. They usually walk sideways, moving quickly along the sand or the seafloor. Some crabs dig burrows in the sand to hide from predators or to stay cool during hot days. Starfish are ocean animals with arms shaped like stars, usually 5, but sometimes more. They don't have a brain or blood, but they can still move and eat. If a starfish loses one arm, it has the amazing ability to grow it back over time. Clownfish are small, bright orange fish with white stripes made famous in cartoons and movies. They live safely inside sea anemones, which have stinging tentacles that scare other fish away. The clownfish helps the anemone too by cleaning it and chasing away small invaders. Pufferfish can blow up their bodies into a big ball when they feel threatened. This makes them look bigger and scarier to predators who want to eat them. Some kinds of pufferfish are poisonous, which makes them even more dangerous to enemies. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly in the air like most birds. Instead, they are excellent swimmers and use their wings like flippers to move quickly underwater. They live in cold places, huddled together to stay warm, and parents take turns caring for their babies. Whales are the largest animals in the world, bigger than any dinosaur that ever lived. Even though they live in water, whales are mammals and need to breathe air through a blowhole. Some whales can dive very deep and stay underwater for more than an hour before coming up to breathe. Squids are fast-swimming animals with long arms and tentacles covered in suckers. They squirt ink into the water when they're scared, making it easier to escape from predators. Many squids live deep in the ocean, and some can glow in the dark with special lights in their bodies. Jellyfish have soft, jelly-like bodies with no bones, brains, or hearts, yet they can survive easily. They drift with the ocean currents and use their stinging tentacles to catch tiny fish. Jellyfish have lived in Earth's oceans for more than 500 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. Blue tangs are beautiful blue fish with bright yellow tails, just like Dory from the movies. They live in coral reefs and help keep the reef healthy by eating tiny plants called algae. When they feel scared, blue tangs can hide in the reef's cracks and even play dead to fool predators. Beluga whales are white whales that live in the cold Arctic seas, often near the ice. They are called sea canaries because they make many sounds like whistles, clicks, and chirps. Belugas are very social animals and often swim together in groups, playing and communicating. Seals are mammals that can swim very well in water, but also rest on land or ice. They have thick layers of fat called blubber to keep them warm in freezing oceans. Seals love to eat fish, and some can dive deep and hold their breath for more than 20 minutes.